Hello friends, welcome to our PCMB tutorial. This is your life science class. Today we will discuss about the fundamental unit of life. So let's start our today's topic. Our first question is that what is living organism and how it is different from the non-living things. There are 6 characteristics to define a living organism. They are: number 1, responsiveness to the environment. Number 2, growth and changes. Number 3, have a metabolism and breath. Number 4, maintain homeostasis. Number 5, being made of cells. Number 6, passing traits on to offsprings. Our next question is that what are the living organisms made up of? The basic structure of living organisms are called cell. On the basis of the cell number, there are two types of living organism. Number 1, single-celled living organism. In example, Chlamydomonas, Paramecium and bacteria. The number 2 is multicellular living organism. The example of multicellular organism is human body. So, what is a cell made up of? Every cell made up of plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. So, what is plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the content of the cell from its external environment. It is called a selective permeable membrane as it allows the entry and exit of some material but also prevent movement of some other materials. Number 2 is cell wall. In plant cells, in addition to the plasma membrane, have another rigid outer covering called the cell wall. The cell wall lies outside the plasma membrane. It is made up of cellulose. Cellulose provides the structural strength to the plants. Number 3, nucleus. This is most important part of the cell. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contain genetic material of eukaryotic organism. As such, it serves to maintain the integrity of the cell by facilitating transcription and replication process. It is the largest organelle inside the cell, taking up about a tenth of the entire cell volume. Number 4 is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by a cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salt and protein. In eukaryotic cell, includes all of the material inside the cell and outside the nucleus. Number 5, cell organelles. A small organ-like structure present inside the cell is called a cell organelle. It has a particular structure, makeup and perform a specific function. There are 6 types of cell organelles. Number 1. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of membranous tubules within the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell, continuous with the nuclear membrane. It, as usual, has ribosome attached and is involved in protein and lipid synthesis. Number 2. Golgi apparatus, a complex of vesicle and folded membranes within the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells, involves in secretion and intracellular transport. It is also known as Golgi body and Golgi complex. Number 3. Lysosome. A lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading virus and bacteria. Number 4. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelle that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell biochemical reaction. Chemical energy produced by the mitochondria is stored in a small molecule called adenosine triphosphate or ATP. Number 5. Plastid. These are double membrane organelle which are found in the cells of plants and algae. Plastids are responsible for manufacturing and storing of food. These often contain pigments that are used in photosynthesis and different types of pigments that can change the color of the cell. Number 6. Vacuoles. A vacuole is a membrane-bound organelle which is present in a plant and fungal cells and some protists. Vacuoles are filled with water-containing inorganic and organic molecules including enzymes in solution. And last is the ribosome. The ribosome is a complex molecule made of ribosomal RNA molecule and protein that form a factory of protein synthesis in a cell. So if you like this video, please press the thumbs up and subscribe our channel.